The Plotina monitoring tool will help you to become effective on your journey to monitor and evaluate the progress of the Gender Equality Plan. It is a free open source and can be set up on your server and adapted to your needs. It is based on 10 core and 40 specific indicators, which can be selected according to your Gender Equality Plan focus. A virtual survey is organized in a clear way and will guide you through the data collection process. Your data visualization tool can be customized according to how important you consider the indicators to be and what their target value is. It measures and displays your Gender Equality Plan progress over different time periods. The main phases or steps are as follows. First, set up the monitoring tool on your server with the assistance of your system administrator, who will provide you with the link and login data for the survey administration. Once you have logged in, the survey must first be activated, and then the participants who will be filling in the survey added. In order to complete this process, an email invitation must be sent to each participant. Participants must click on the link they find in the email invitation and start responding to the survey by inputting the data on the core indicators. Then they can decide which of the 40 specific indicators they want to collect data on. When the survey has been completed, the data must be exported to the visualization tool with the assistance again of the system administrator. In the visualization tool, specify the degree of importance as well as the target value for each indicator. Over time, fill in the survey as frequently as you consider appropriate and learn about the progress of your Gender Equality Plan.